Hey, this is Brad with Momentum Construction and Design. Thanks for checking out another Morning with Momentum. This video is a general overview of the Momentum process. The process has 4 stages to guide our clients from our very first point of contact all the way through a successful and fun remodel. There are 4 phases to the Momentum process: discovery, design, planning, and production. I'm going to go over each step to give you an idea of what you can expect when working with us. There are additional videos coming out on our channel that will dive into each phase in more detail, but today I just want to give you a general understanding of what to expect at each phase. So the first step is the discovery phase. This is how we start every project. Ideally, you'll go on our website and schedule a phone conversation to talk about your project. We'll talk for a few minutes about the project scope, time frame, and some other basic information. And if we both agree that it makes sense, we would move on to an in-home consultation where we'll meet in person at your home to go over the project on site. The goal is to get to know one another a little bit, learn about the project goals, and see if we're a good fit for each other. This will lead us to produce a project analysis which will include the job scope and a general budget range for the project. And the final step, if we decide that we are ready to work together, the signing of a project development agreement, which is a formal agreement to start the design process and hold a place in our construction calendar. Next up, the second phase, design, which consists of a discovery meeting, mood and concept planning, estimate plans, a bid meeting, and finally construction plans and agreement, aka a contract. This is a thorough process and is managed by our lead designer, Emily Bastian. Emily and her experienced design team use each step to develop a complete project design that includes the construction drawings and elevations and 3D renderings with complete scope of work and specifications. At the end of the design phase, we ultimately have every decision made and are highly organized for the third step, which is the planning phase. A very important part because it bridges any gap between the design team and the production team. The stages include zoning and building permits, scheduling and material ordering, a pre-construction meeting, project coordination, and then finally a launch meeting. We believe in the 5 Ps. Proper planning prevents poor performance. So we take active and intentional steps that include both the design and production team members to review every detail and further organize our action plans to be successful when the team arrives to the project on the first day. This stage eliminates mistakes and creates communication that ultimately leads to more efficient schedules, budget accuracy, and our high level of craftsmanship. The fourth and final phase is the production phase. This is where our project managers, production crew, and trade partners shine. The items we focus on in this phase are a livable remodel, efficient schedules, experience management, superior craftsmanship, financial tracking, and finally, project completion and warranty. Our experienced and skilled production team follows their own set of systems and processes to ensure a successful and enjoyable project that has been beautifully designed, meticulously planned, and accurately executed. So that's a brief overview of the entire Momentum process. We can and do modify this process for anyone who already has architectural drawings or interior design completed, so there is flexibility that we're used to. I hope you enjoyed the 4 stages of the Momentum process. Please look for our follow-up videos that dive into more details of each phase. Thanks. Have a great week.